Presido of the Senate, Godswill Akpabio, don return back Naija for early hours of Monday morning after small vacation for London. Akpabio waka enter Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport for Abuja around 4 a.m. and senators, him aides and supporters welcome am for the presidential wing. The comeback happen as gist dey fly for social media say he dey seriously sick and dem admit am for hospital for London. As e yarn with tori pipo for airport, Akpabio rubbish the tori, say na just imagination of the people wey dey spread fake news.
There were lots and lots of rumors. Where is the Senate president? So I said, oh, I thought people didn't love me. so I had thousands of calls from everywhere. And I kept saying, I'm okay, I'm okay. And they said, are you sure? Are you sure? One particular emir, I won't mention his name, His Royal Majesty. He said, okay, if you're okay, put it on video. No video. He said, put it on video. Let me see your face. So I did, and we started laughing. He said, okay, I'm satisfied. so I thank you so much. And I'm happy to be back. And of course, Mr. President has gone on diplomatic shuttles to try to bring more dividends of democracy to Nigeria. So it's important that I stay at home with the Vice President, if he's around, to make sure that we hold forth with the service chiefs and others so that we can tackle some of the insecurities and other issues that plague Nigeria. But I'm happy to be back.
Before he travel go UK, the Senate Presido bin at ten d the 6th World Conference of Speakers of Parliament wey shele for Geneva, Switzerland from July 29th to July 31st. He yarn the strong role wey Naija delegation play to push better democratic governance and stronger cooperation between different branches of government.
The Geneva's trip was very successful. I didn't go there alone. I led a very strong delegation, which included the Right Honorable Speaker, Tajuddin Abbas. He was there with me, and many senators and members of the House of Representatives. So the presence of Nigeria was very well felt. And I must say it wasn't a normal International Parliamentary Union meeting. This was something that happens once every 5 years. This was a world meeting of heads of parliaments and speakers all over the world. So I would say the world was there. And every country was given the opportunity to say one or two things. Myself and the speaker, we did our best to project the image of Nigeria and also to let them know some of the takeaways that the world could take from Nigeria in terms of parliamentary diplomacy. And we used that opportunity to highlight the achievements of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And today I said I can't stay too long. I miss my country, so I rushed down this morning only to see you waiting to receive me. Thank you so much.
Akpabio still assure Naija pipo say Senate go enter serious legislative work once dem resume from their holiday. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimwa, TMC News.